Problem be like bicycle. One Ashana don't call out one of our Nollywood actor. Say this guy they owe him money. And person what they talk about now gentle jack. And I know this guy will be saying they act before because right now I know saying no they act film again. And this guy they claim say this man knock her to. They say this man sleep with her. I say make Oga come pay money now. This guy no one grip it. I say since when he don't do her this thing, the guy know they grip her money. Beg, follow me watch.
My name is Brenda, boss lady. As I did like this now, my blood is hot. Baba gentle, have fun now. You know, pay me my money. You take waiting they happen now. I be waiting the soap. I don't understand. You go give her money. I don't get it. Who does that? Waiting they happen. Waiting they shell. Waiting they happen. Guy, you got to give me my money because I'm gonna give you pekus for free. You hear me, ba? Share they feel me. Share you grab. Share you understand my English. Oh, boy, English. Yes, I'm talking to you, Gentle Jack. He's an Nollywood actor. All these celebrities, we don't know where they don't go stay one place. Now they find free pekus.
Nothing where we no go see online. No, it be like say some girls inside this Nigerian. Ona no get single shape. But some people ona they forget say all these kind of videos ona they post and I know they remember on a future. Because this one now you do and say okay, are they young and useful? I can call out anybody. Auntie, I beg if you come old, when your children can't see this video, what you go explain to them? But Mr. Gentle Jack, me now you are get matter. I beg. Why you go chop person daughter belle you go come decide say you no one pay her? I don't understand. Because if you no do, I'm not sure say this girl will come outside. Get the moral to mention your name. Because you know they there. Because at least she for even call other people. Timini they there, fine boy they there. She for call them. But you will be saying you be old cargo. You know they need to act again. Now she can't see call. It make me dey very certain say you do this thing with this girl. So God beg find her money give her because to me I feel say this one is just community disgrace. This one be say they call your name now, not before even better thing. Say you go they chop Ashawo. How much be the money? I sure say you no go even reach 5K. Even your fan fee help you gather pay this money. So I no know why now you can't spoil your name because of this kind of thing. I don't reason I must say call this girl because as this girl be she not ready to calm down. If you not pay that money, she go continue to dey call you and to dey call you. So call her once if you know her, tell her, say, babe, like this, I no get money, I no get this. So I beg, Oga, to just cover this shame and everything. Just give this girl money, make everything end for there. My people, I hear this story, now I bring and come for now. Make now stay tuned for our next story. This one about one 15 years old girl. I hear say this girl. And as see as one person go dey cry, person go dey come out now with normal water. This girl oh no be so. Her own if she dey cry, na stone na dey come out of her eye. And this one they even make me surprised. Say is this thing possible at all at all? Now this one make me make her bring her make herself using her eye. See for herself.
आज कितने निकले 15 निकले ऐसे ही ऐसे 15 निकल चुके आज
गूगल भेज पहले मीडिया वाले बात कर रहे हैं
अब देखो लंबो नहीं करो
जो जितना वो काम सवाई हुई
wonder shall never end. I beg. On I shall say this one now God work I be na juju. Because this one strange from I never see where person go they cry. Now stone and pebbles now go they fall down. I dey very certain say something dey inside this matter. Because to me, this one no even dey, in fact, it no dey possible at all. But based on say me I call do my research, now there I hear and say this kind similar thing don't even happen before for 2014. But person when it happen to now person will be say she get sickness for body. So now there we come reason and say okay fine and good this one get sickness. What about this girl own? Because doctors don't do every scan put for this girl, but the reason I say nothing they worry this girl. So how it can't take day possible say now stone they come out from her eyes, they never even still understand that. Say this one just be like a misery to them. And people now when come there inside India because of this one, they don't begin the panic, they don't begin the fear. Say this girl they possess, behind our gbanje possession, I don't know the kind of possession we don't enter this girl. Say in fact as it be them don't they fear because they don't the reason say this world will still come to an end because unbelievable things don't they have. I miss about the reason I say this one are true. Because this one, I don't even sure self say, now God might make this kind of thing. And I know go surprise, and I know say Indian people, they like juju. She will not be saying, I don't go through can inside something, be second, they affect this small girl now. And I can't carry talk say a miracle because this one is very surprising to me. But this kind of thing, I don't reason I'm tired. I say, this one is spiritual matter. They are in Nigeria, they go carry this girl come. Carry and go Edo State because I don't reason say, now then go fix all this kind of thing. Because something like this, I don't see her with my koro eyes for inside this Nigeria where we dey. When we say person body they come most to, but that one you know enter in eye. If person just see that, now go the to. And this one a spiritual thing. Now person send it to the person. So me, I don't reason say, as this girl be like this, they go carry and enter Nigeria, may they carry and go this babala place because now only them go fit do this kind of thing for this girl. Unless say God won't help this girl restore the whole thing and waiting make this girl go dey safe. But if not, now so this girl will just be. But anyway, Indian people are known. Hope say sooner or later, no, can't carry this girl say on when they worship him as God, I be something because I know on a way. On a juju self, it carry times 2. But anyway, as this girl be me, I don't know anything I won't tell her. Now may they just try. Find help for her because this one, you know, they natural for person to they cry. May stone they come out. In fact, it is very weird to the ear inside here. Anyway, my people, now here I go end this matter. Make now stay tuned for our next story. Inside India, I hear say some Nigerians don't enter street to begin protest over the death of one of their Nigerian brothers where they inside that place. And this set of Nigerians now they claim say now the Indian police now kill this guy. Say because of say they chase this guy to the extent say this guy just develop high BP all of a sudden. And now so this guy just fall down, die just like that. My people beg, follow me watch.
Indian police, one Nigerian guy. Okay, that guy just came to Palam now. On his way back to Mohan Garden, they chased him and the guy fell. That's what all Nigerians are coming here now.
I hear say this guy where this thing happened to in and also. I say on a normal level now there this guy they come back from meeting. Don't carry your car. So okay, we're making the go house before we go see now there police begin chase him. How come the reason this matter say Indian police no suppose just they chase you just like that? If no be say you don't commit something or maybe they drive with overspeed. Now waiting me a reason, but I hear say anyway as they begin chase him. Out of fear, instead of this guy to stay, I know they know what they worry about Nigerian brothers. You there abroad, they pursue. If they say stop, or gas stop. I don't see why you go carry yourself, say you they run. I beg, now fast and furious they drive. Police they stop you, they I beg, no be Nigeria you dey. Now abroad they so if you dey, I beg they use your sense. But anyway, I hear as they chase this guy. This guy no gree stop. He still continue that speed they use around. I don't know when go drop your car. Come start to they run from there before we go see now there sickness enter in body. High BP just catch him just like that, and now there this guy just fall down, slump, die. Now so person just die like that too. But me, I don't reading this matter. I don't see why they go protest for police and a police killer. Because him gongo, now him I go blame for this kind of matter. Because instead of running, if na question they won't ask you, you stop me they ask you question. If na money they won't collect, you settle them. Because me I hear say for inside India that they always believe say Nigerians get money. So any smart you go say they don't stop you. But you will be say you know say your paper is complete. You everything in fact you suppose they work out for there with pride. No say you they do your thing legally. I can't even support if no be say Nigeria don't support. I beg who be Indian police. Who be where even be India? If no be say we just they look and say our economy no good. This Nigeria is sometimes even better some pass some country where all of us they run to. You run from Nigeria say insecurity, you enter inside another insecurity. Not before DSF, they don't go kill you now. Anyway, my viewers, now here I go end them for today. Make now stay tuned for our next story. I just hear say for broad daylight, now they kill one man or some gang of people. Just go join together, carry this guy, shoot him. A squad of 5 people, this man will not know what to do. Make now follow me watch.
Who got the guy? No money room.
Hey, Jesus, they don't kill this guy. Inside car, the guy on your motor self, Jesus Christ. Guy in the piece of guy.
The guy I'm
Jesus.
But anyway, according to information wey me I get, I hear say this one na court wahala. Now waiting make me no want to even put my mouth inside this kind of thing. Say this man, say this man don't go keep person before. And say, I think do this one, in just wrong. Come on, they don't even see him again. All of a sudden, this man still can't get mind. Still can't come back inside Anambra. He don't forget, say, in rival court, they wait for him. And if you now listen to this video, where go hear where one of them, they even talk, say, I don't want to see this video on any social media platform. It means that they even give warning for people where they around. Say, you will be say, you know, say, they around this place. No, go share this video. I can't supply say me I even can't see this one online. It means say people where they live for this area. On a better go back on a bag and run away because these people are very certain. They go come back for you where they live around this place. Carry your bag and jackpot or make yourself just go buy a gun in case anything won't happen. Because as it be now, they very certain say these people go come back. But you where they inside Nigeria, I beg shine your eyes. This Nigeria where they now, you know they safe at all. Make me come back for now. Can't stop this one for now. My people, make us stay tuned for our next story.